Good morning, friends. Friends, as we are studying the genetics, inheritance, and the variations of the genes, the basic theme or the foundation of the genetic is the variations and inheritance. Well, we are aware of that the genes are responsible for the characters and traits in the progeny or in the organisms, in the upcoming organisms. Well, we have seen the hybridization, the expressions of the genes, the pure parents expressions, crossing over the pure parents and the hybrid ones, what type of the genotypes we get, and the dominant one is how expressed over the recessive one, and all these factors. Well, many more, we see the gene interaction. Gene interaction is of two types, that is allelic gene interaction and non-allelic gene interaction. As we are aware that Mendel and his subsequent workers assumed the character and the trait was monitored by the gene. It was later discovered that many characters in almost all the organisms are governed, are monitored by two or more genes, that is the set or pair of a genes, and such gene affect the development of concerned character in the various ways. Well, for each character two genes are responsible, and when more genes is seen over there which suppress the concern or the original characters. What is the phenomenon? Two or more gene affecting the expression of each other in a various way in the development of a single character of an organism is known as a gene interaction. Two or more gene affecting the expression of each other in various ways in the development of a single character of an organism. Well, what is the gene interaction? For example, two or more than two genes which affects the expression of each other. They affect the expression of each other. Means the X will affect the Y will affect the X. In the various ways, in different types of ways, in the development of a single character of an organism. For a single character, they affect each other, and that is to be known, or the phenomenon is to be known as a gene interaction. Type of gene interaction we know: allelic gene interaction and non-allelic gene interaction. Gene interaction are classified as follows on the basis of manner in which the concerned gene influence the expression of gene action. Well, we will study one by one. Well, allelic gene interaction, that is incomplete dominance. It is dominance, but it is not complete dominance. The alleles of the same gene interact in such a way to produce the new character. What is the term? What is the definition of gene interaction? That two or more genes affect themselves affect each other, that doesn't allow to perform the original character, a single character. And what this says, what incomplete dominance says, the alleles of the same gene interact in such a way to produce the new character. Of course, the new character will develop rather than the parental one, rather than the original one. Now, what is the example of this allelic gene? That is the incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance, the heterozygote shows a phenotype which is between the homozygous recessive and homozygous dominant phenotypes. So, how this is incomplete dominance, we come to know. The heterozygote shows a phenotype. The heterozygote shows a phenotype which is between the homozygous recessive, that is the recessive one, and homozygous dominant. And that is why it is called the incomplete dominance. It lies between the recessive and the phenotypes, the homozygous recessive and the homozygous phenotypes. When we look out at the organism, exactly in which plant this happens, so we get the Mirabilis jalapa. The best example of incomplete dominance is seen in both Mirabilis jalapa and snapdragon flowers. So this is the new one, Mirabilis. Previous Mirabilis shows the some yellow flowers. Now, due to this heterozygote incomplete dominance, it shows the reddish color. Well, when we study the incomplete dominance, see the allelic gene interaction. The example is incomplete dominance. Look out at this phenotype, that is red flower into white flower. That was the what we can say, the natively Mirabilis jalapa. One, the genotype of the red flower we see, that is the capital double R, whereas the white flower of Mirabilis we see, that is the small double R. And when we take the gametes, that is the capital R 1 and the smaller r. When these two are crossed over, so what we get in the F1 generation, that is the capital R and the smaller r. Though the flower were red, the flower were white, in incomplete dominance, we saw the F1 generation pink flower. Complete character were changed. Whereas we see in the monohybrid cross, what we see that the in 3:1 ratio we get the dominant one in F1 generation. What we see in this incomplete dominance, what we see in this allelic gene interaction, or what we see in the gene interaction phenomenon, we see that the red flower were crossed over the white flower, and what the genotype was, the capital R and the smaller r. But as the common phenomenon of the genetics, or the Mendel says that the dominant would express in the generation, in upcoming generation, here it completely doesn't see, and we see here the completely different character rather than the paternal one and maternal one. Completely different character. That is the pink one. One in F1 generation undergoes self-pollination. What we see, it goes under self-pollination. And after this self-pollination, whatever the seeds were collected, phenotype was pink into pink, and genotype was as usual RR into R smaller r. Look out now We put this in the Punnett square. From the left hand, the female one, and from the right hand, the male one. Capital R is crossed over the capital R, then we get the red one. Smaller r is crossed over the, this one is crossed over this one. So we get the capital R over the smaller r, it is crossed among themselves, and we get the phenotype, that is the capital R and the small r, but the genotype, the phenotype is the pink one. Well, now we cross the small r with the small r from both the male as well as the female gamete, and what we got, that is the both smaller r, that is the white one. Well, we move again to the parental one, to this r, capital R, and to the again the male one capital, female one capital R, and what we get the product, that is the flower is red one. So friend, in this condition, in the incomplete dominance, what do we get? Phenotypic ratio as well as the genotypic ratio is same, is equivalent. We don't see in the monohybrid and dihybrid cross both the same one. What we see here, the interesting thing is that the character which was completely changed from the maternal as well as the paternal one, what was the character? The character was the red flower and the white flower, but what we get in the F1 generation, that is different one, and that is the pink one. None of the dominant, none of the recessive, completely different one. But when F1 self-pollinated, when F1 generation undergoes self-pollination, and what we get in F2 generation, that we get in F2 generation that 1:2:1 ratio. Means one pure one, two pink one, that was got in F2 F1 generation, and again one, that is the white flower. Look out at this Punnett square. When we look out at the Punnett square, we come to know that one, that is the red one, we got from the pure parents. This one is the smaller r, that is white one, we got from this again from the female one or from the pure parents. But what we get from this two pink one, we get it from the F1 generation, and that was the incomplete dominance of the genes which were affecting among themselves characters, and though it was affected, pink one was expressed in the F1 generation, that is the different character. Therefore we see in the F2 generation we got pure character also as well as the changes in the character also. But the ratio here was 1:2:1. So friends, this was what about we were talking about the incomplete dominance in the interaction of genes. Well, what the genes interaction define? Two or more gene which affects the expression of each other only in various ways, in the which developed a different single character of an organism. That is the gene interaction among themselves. But in what way they interact, in what type they interact in two types, that is allelic gene interaction and non-allelic gene interaction. Whereas we study allelic gene interaction, in allelic gene interaction, that is the alleles of the same gene interact in such a way to produce the new character. See, in the allelic gene interaction, the genes interact, the genes interfere in such a way that they produce the new character. And what was the new character? We saw in the incomplete dominance that red crossed over white got the pink flower, nor the white nor the red. But in F2 generation, when in F1 generation it was allowed to self-pollinate it, we got one white one red one, and two, that is the pink one, which was seen in the F1 generation, and that is the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1 of the allelic gene interaction of example incomplete dominance. Well, friend, for today we stopped here, and rest of the part of our gene interaction will be studying in our next video. Thank you.